Welcome back to my channel Spice of Life. If you're looking for a flavorful, healthy way to enjoy seafood, this tandoori salmon is a must try. It's rich in protein, packed with bold Indian spices, and perfect for roasting or grilling. This quick dinner is ideal for busy weeknights, yet impressive enough for guests. Start with the two salmon fillets, fresh and ready to soak up all the goodness. We are building a simple but bold marinade. Slit the salmon, add turmeric, salt, Kashmiri lal mirch, tandoori barbecue masala for the spicy flavor, chaat masala for the tanginess, half a lemon, and garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Coat each fillet generously. Let every corner get covered in that tandoori magic. Then let it rest just 30 minutes in the fridge and the salmon is ready for the spotlight. Roast it in a air fryer or oven at 355 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until it flakes to perfection, or take it to the grill for the irresistible smoky flavor. Either way is done in under 15 minutes. Look at that. Look at that color, fiery red with golden edges and tender flakes. Top it off with fresh cilantro. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.